In this video, we'll see how we can add product category. Here you can see product category in menu, and even you can add single products in menu. So we'll see how we can do it using WooCommerce in WordPress. Let's go. Like here you can see in menu, you can easily add page, age, post category, any type of post. But we want WooCommerce product or WooCommerce product category in menu. How we can add it? For now, when you go on menu, scroll down here, you can see you get all pages option, post option, custom option, category option, but this category is of post category, and we WooCommerce endpoint, that is orders, download, address. But we want to add products, WooCommerce product and WooCommerce product category that we have created. Like here in products, here you can see categories that we have created here, cactus and plants category. I have created two category. Okay, and I have added some products in it. So now I want to show this category in menu and also want to add products in menu. For that, what we need to go to appearance page, go on menu. Now here, scroll up, and here on right side corner, you can see screen option. Click on it. Here you see all the options. So we want product category, and what do we want? We want products. So just enable it. You can enable and disable anything from here. Scroll up. Now when you scroll down, here you can see category, sorry, product category and products option. You can easily add. I will select product category, cactus plant, add to menu. And suppose a specific product most selling or anything you want to show on top of your category menu, you can directly add it. Here you see product, save it. Now when I go to my store, here you can see in store, I can easily select my product category, and here you can see. And when I scroll down, here you can see I have added a product. Like when I directly click on it, here you can see product open. Okay, so that's why you can easily add product category and products in your menu in WordPress. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and join membership.